Hey beauties, so when it comes to makeup, there's very few things that I keep the same. And by few, I mean like 3 things. Like I always use the same brow products, the same concealers, and the same lip liner. But Urban Decay came out with a new brow pencil that I was willing to put my Benefit favorites aside to try out. So Urban Decay came out with the Urban Decay came out with a new brow product. It is called the Brow Blade. So I'm going to show you guys. On one side there is an ink stain, and then on the other side you have a traditional pencil. So I got my brow blade in the color Dark Drapes, which is a dark brown color, and I think it comes in 6 different shades. The brow blade does retail for $26, but it does come with 2 products essentially, kinda, sorta. But without further ado, let's see this thing in action. This brow here, I'm gonna conceal first using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I typically conceal first and then apply brow products, so I wanted to show you guys this way as well. I'm going to take the pencil first, and I'm just going to draw a line under. Now we're going to go up with the strokes like that. I'm going to take the ink stain part and I'm going to use that to make small hairs, if you will. You want to be very careful with this part because things could get pretty crazy. I will let you guys know later when I give you my cons on this product why you got to be careful when you do this part. I'm also going to fill in wherever I feel like I want to add some hair. So this is the first brow. It is completed. I think it looks very fleeky and I really like it. So we're going to do this side now. And I'm going to show you guys that side without any concealer. We're going to do concealer after we do the whole thing. In terms of the formula, I think it's closer to Anastasia's formula than it is to Benefit's. The Benefit formula is just a little tiny, itsy bitsy, teeny bitty, little bit smoother than the Anastasia and this formula. The Anastasia is very similar. This is very similar to Anastasia's formula in terms of like how it feels. Give it a little shake, and then we're gonna draw our little brow hairs. These are the finished brows. I'm gonna throw some mascara on and I'll be back to show you guys, to share my thoughts with you guys. Overall, I really love the brow blade. I only have 2 cons that I want to share with you guys. The first one I really didn't even notice when I first got the product. I only noticed it when I was about to apply it, and it was that it has no spoolie. Honestly, I feel like I've taken my spoolies for granted. Like, you know, like I never really appreciated them. I just want to say thank you to this spoolie. Have you guys watched Marie Kondo on Netflix? I've been obsessed. I've been folding so many things because I'm obsessed. I don't think that's a deal breaker because a lot of things don't come with spoolies, like brow pomades or like the Benefit Cabral. My second con is not so much a con, it's more of a cautious. And it is that I do think you have to shake the product before you apply it, for as far as the felt tip goes. A couple times I forgot to shake it and like distribute the product evenly, and I ended up getting a big blob of product in the front of my brow, which is the main place I apply the felt tip. So definitely be careful and shake it a little bit so you get an even distribution of pigment. It's like any marker, you kind of want to just make sure you get a nice shaky shake and you'll be good. So those are my 2 cons. The shade range, I guess, is kind of a little bit of a con, but every brow line has different shade ranges. Benefit has one of the biggest ones, I think, because they even added more colors recently. So I really love their shades, and those are my favorites. 4.5 is my favorite brow shade from Benefit. So yeah, I mean, I feel like that comes with time, so I'm cool with that. But those are my thoughts on the brow blade. It's definitely different. I love innovation. I love new different things that I've never seen before, like a felt tip, a brow product. So I'm definitely going to be using it for sure. I might add it into my brow routine. I might actually use my Benefit pencil and then use the felt tip because I really like the Benefit color. But I love the felt tip idea because it makes these brow hairs in the front look so much more real. I really love that. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Don't forget to subscribe down below and click the little notification bell. You will get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.